Dear students, welcome to YouTube channel Learn with Gisla. In this video of number systems, we are going to take up some solved questions based on addition and subtraction of irrational numbers. Now, before starting with the questions, we should be aware about what are like irrational numbers and what are unlike irrational numbers. So let's get started. Now, first of all, what are like irrational numbers? So irrational numbers having the same irrational factor are called as like or similar irrational numbers. For example, root 2, 5 root 2, 7 root 2, 5 by 9 root 2. These are all like irrational numbers because they have the same, or we can say the common irrational factor, that is root 2. Now, what are unlike irrational numbers? So irrational numbers having no common irrational factor are known as unlike irrational numbers. For example, root 2, 5 root 3, 7 root 5, 5 by 9 root 7. In these irrational numbers, we don't have any common irrational factor. So such irrational numbers are known as unlike irrational numbers, right? Now there are some important points, or you can say some rules, which we should follow for addition and subtraction of irrational numbers. First point is, like irrational numbers can be added or subtracted by just adding or subtracting their coefficients. For example, if we have 5 root 2 plus 7 root 2, over here the common irrational factor is root 2. So we can just add the coefficient. 5 plus 7 is 12, so 12 root 2. Likewise, if suppose it is 5 root 2 minus 7 root 2, so we could have just subtracted the coefficient. 5 minus 7 is minus 2, right? And the common irrational factor is root 2, which will come as it is. So answer would be minus 2 root 2. So we can say that like irrational numbers can be added or subtracted by just adding or subtracting their coefficients. Now second point is, unlike irrational numbers cannot be added or subtracted. For example, we have root 2 plus root 3. They cannot be combined because over here we don't have any common irrational factor. Now if the given irrational numbers are not similar, they are not like, so we can just reduce the irrational numbers into simplest form and we can see that both are like irrational factors, and then further we can solve. For example, an irrational number is of such type like 3 root 125. Right, now 125, the factors are 5 into 5 into 5, which we can write as 5 square into 5. Right, now 5 square, root of 5 square is 5, so 3 into 5 into root 5. 3 into 5 is 15, so 15 root 5. So this is how we got the simplest form of the irrational number. Now these are some of the questions which we are going to take up in this video. So let's start with the first one. First question is, add 3 root 2 and 5 root 2. Now over here 3 root 2 and 5 root 2 are like irrational numbers because they have the common irrational factor, that is root 2. So we will add their coefficient. We can take root 2 common. So root 2 in bracket 3 plus 5, which is equal to 8 root 2. So here we are using distributive law where we are taking root 2 common and then adding the coefficients. Likewise in question 2, if we have 8 root 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 4 root 3, over here root 3 is the common irrational factor. So we can take root 3 common and in bracket we shall get 8 minus 2 plus 4, all the coefficients we have taken together. 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So 10 root 3 is the answer. Now question 3 is 4 root 2 plus 3 root 32. Now if you observe these irrational numbers, they are not similar, so we have to reduce them into simplest form. So since the given irrational numbers are not similar, we need to reduce them in the simplest form. Root 2 is already in simplest form. Let us reduce root 32. So 3 root 32, 32 can be written as 16 into 2, which is 4 square into 2. Now root of 4 square into root 2, which is 3 into 4 into root 2, which is equal to 12 into root 2. Right, so over here we can say 4 root 2 plus 3 root 32 is equal to 4 root 2 plus 12 root 2. Now 3 root 32 has been written in simplest form, that is 12 root 2. Now we have a common irrational factor. They are like irrational numbers. So root 2 can be taken common. Further we shall add the coefficients. 4 plus 12, that is 16. 16 root 2 is the answer. Now question 4. Simplify root 72 plus root 800 minus root 18. Now further let us find out their factors. Root of 72 is 36 into 2, which we can write 6 into 6 into 2. 800 can be written as 8 into 100, or we can say 2 into 2 into 2. Further 100 can be written as 10 into 10. 18 is 9 into 2, which we can write 3 into 3 into 2. Now further write in square form. So root of 6 square into 2, root of 2 square into 2 into 10 square, root of 3 square into 2. Now whenever we have a root of 6 square or root of 2 square or root of 3 square, we take out one of the factors outside. So here 6 will be taken outside and root 2 as it is. Now here 2 square and 10 square is there. So 2 and 10 both will be taken outside. So 2 into 10 we shall get 20. So 20 root 2, and over here 3 square is there. So we shall take out 3. So 3 root 2. Now if you observe, all these irrational numbers are like irrational numbers because they have the common irrational factor, that is root 2, which we will take common, and all the coefficients will be taken under bracket. 6 plus 20 minus 3. Now solve it. 6 plus 20, 26, minus 3, 23. So 23 root 2 is the answer. Now let's take up question 5. Simplify half of root 486 minus root of 27 by 2. Now if you observe, both these irrational numbers are not similar. So we have to reduce them into simplest form. Let us start with half of root 486. 486 we can say 81 into 6, which we can write half of root of 9 square into 6. Further split it, half into root of 9 square into root 6. Now root of 9 square will be 9. So half into 9 into root 6. So further, which is equal to 9 by 2 root 6. So basically the irrational factor over here is root 6. So over here also, in root of 27 by 2, we have to convert it in such a way that we get the same irrational factor, that is root 6. So let us multiply by 2 so that we can get 54 by 4. And 54 is 9 into 6, which we can write as 3 square, and 4 can be written as 2 square. And now split it, root of 3 square into root of 6, root of 2 square, which is equal to, now take out one of the factors from these squares. So 3 by 2 root 6. So we can say half of root 486 minus root of 27 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2 root 6, and this is equal to 3 by 2 root 6. Now over here these are like irrational numbers where the common factor is root 6. So we shall take root 6 common, and further all the coefficients in the bracket, 9 by 2 minus 3 by 2. And when we'll solve it, we will get 6 by 2, which is 3. So 3 root 6 is the answer. Now question 6. Simplify 4 root 2 minus 2 root 8 plus 3 by root 2. Now none of these irrational numbers are similar, so we need to reduce them into simplest form. So 4 root 2 is already in simplest form. Let us start with 2 into root 8. 8 is 4 into 2, which we can write as 2 square into 2. Further split it, so 2 into root of 2 square into root 2. Now root of 2 square, take out one of the factor. So 2 into 2, this 2 is over here. So 2 into 2 into root 2. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 root 2 is the simplest form. Now 3 by root 2. Now this we have to rationalize the denominator. So we shall multiply by root 2 in the numerator as well as denominator. Now 3 into root 2 is 3 into root 2, and root 2 into root 2 is 2. Right, so answer is 3 by 2 root 2. So further now we can simplify this by writing their simplest form. So first of all 4 root 2 as it is, then 2 root 8 we have already calculated, it is 4 root 2, and this has come 3 by root 2 can be written as 3 by 2 root 2. Now this will get cancelled, or you can take root 2 as a common factor and all the coefficients in bracket, and then you can cancel it out. So any way you can do it. So 3 by 2 root 2 is the answer. So this is it, children. Hope you have understood all these questions. In the next video, I am going to take up more questions related to addition and subtraction of irrational numbers, which are little more complicated than these. So thank you everyone. Have a great day ahead.